Budbreak. That's when the first bud breaks on the cluster on the vines. So you can see this is the Alicante down here. This is our Alicante Bouschet vineyard, and it's just been pruned. So you're not going to see bud break on that, but you know, typically the Alicante Bouschet is one of the first ones to break, and then the Pinot Grigio that's out by Slug Gulch Road, right along the road, is another one that we get typically early bud break on. And so it's just the sprout, you know, the little tiny nub that starts, the little green nub is the bud. And when it first breaks onto the vine, then it's called bud break. They'll just start to form. All of a sudden you'll look and you'll see these little tiny things. They're smaller than BBs, and they're just, you know, this big, and then next thing you know, they're that big.
How long does it take?
We'll get bud break typically end of March, first part of April, and then start picking, you know, depending on the bricks. The bricks is the sugar level, so but it's usually earliest is first part of September. We've gotten some reds in as early as the last of August. The whites typically come in August, first part of September, and then the rest of it all finishes usually by mid-October is the latest. We're depending on, you know, but every season, every year is different. You know, it's farming. It's just farming. Yeah. So it's ripe when it's ripe, and it's when it's not ripe, you wait.